power of cultural diversity in organizations. Imagine walking into an office where people from different backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives come together, bringing fresh ideas and solutions to the table. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's the power of cultural diversity in organizations, and today, we are diving into why it's more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer for businesses worldwide. If you're ready to unlock the benefits of diversity and inclusion in the workplace, hit that like button and let's get started. What is cultural diversity? Cultural diversity in organizations means having a workforce made up of individuals from different cultural backgrounds, identities, and perspectives. As businesses expand globally, embracing diversity isn't just nice to have, it's essential for success. Cultural diversity isn't just about race or ethnicity, it includes language, traditions, values, and ways of thinking. A culturally diverse workforce means that companies benefit from a mix of experiences and viewpoints, leading to better problem solving and decision making. In today's interconnected world, organizations that ignore diversity risk becoming irrelevant. And here's why. Why cultural diversity matters. Ever heard the saying, two heads are better than one? Well, imagine the power of a room full of diverse minds. Innovation and problem solving. Different viewpoints spark creativity and out of the box thinking. Companies in the top quartile for ethnic and racial diversity are 35% more likely to outperform their industry norms, McKinsey, 2020. Higher employee engagement and productivity. Employees feel valued, respected, and motivated when diversity is embraced. Inclusion fosters teamwork and boosts morale, leading to higher retention and job satisfaction. Organizations with cultural diversity are more adaptable in a rapidly changing business environment. A mix of cultures provides fresh insights into customer needs and emerging market trends. Companies that celebrate diversity are more attractive to top talent, creating a competitive advantage. The challenges of cultural diversity. Now, let's be real, diversity also comes with challenges. But every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Common barriers. Communication gaps. Differences in language and communication styles can lead to misunderstandings. Unconscious bias. People may unintentionally favor those who share their background or perspectives. Resistance to change. Some employees or leaders may be hesitant to embrace new perspectives. Cultural misunderstandings can impact teamwork, leading to frustration and conflict. Additionally, biases, whether conscious or unconscious, can prevent organizations from fully benefiting from diverse talent. The key to overcoming these challenges is awareness, education, and leadership commitment. So, how do we overcome these obstacles? That's where cultural competence and strong leadership come in. How to foster an inclusive work environment. 1. Create inclusive policies, ensure fair hiring, promotion, and workplace practices. 2. A welcoming work environment requires more than just hiring diverse candidates, it needs inclusion. That means creating a space where everyone feels heard, respected, and able to contribute. Training programs help employees recognize biases and understand different cultures, while mentorship programs provide growth opportunities for underrepresented groups. When done right, inclusivity isn't just a policy, it becomes part of an organization's DNA. Leadership's role in diversity. Diversity starts at the top. 79% of executives believe diversity is a key driver of success, Deloitte, 2021. Great leaders don't just talk about diversity, they live it, advocate for it, and hold teams accountable. What leaders can do: be role models for inclusion by setting an example in hiring and decision making. Create diverse leadership teams that reflect the workforce and customer base. Set measurable diversity goals and track progress to ensure accountability. If leaders don't embrace and promote diversity, it won't become a reality in the organization. Leadership commitment is the foundation of cultural inclusion, from recruitment and promotions to everyday interactions in the workplace. Measuring the impact of cultural diversity. How do you know if your diversity efforts are working? Simple: track the data. Key metrics: employee engagement and satisfaction surveys. Do employees feel valued? Retention rates of diverse employees are under. Measuring diversity impact isn't just about counting numbers, it's about tracking how diversity influences culture, innovation, and business performance. By gathering and analyzing data, organizations can adjust their strategies to ensure continuous improvement. Regularly assessing and adjusting diversity strategies ensures long-term success. Case studies: companies winning at diversity. Let's look at companies that have mastered cultural diversity. Google and Microsoft prioritize diversity in hiring and leadership, funding initiatives for underrepresented groups. Salesforce invests in equality, pay transparency, and employee resource groups. Coca-Cola implements mentorship programs and partnerships to support diverse talent. These companies prove that diversity isn't just about ethics, it's a business advantage. Real-world examples provide proof that diversity works. These companies have shown that when diversity is truly embedded in company culture, it drives innovation, employee satisfaction, and financial success. Closing, final thoughts: cultural diversity isn't just about representation, it's about innovation, growth, and creating a better workplace for everyone. What's your experience with diversity in the workplace? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, diversity is strength.